my channel. My name is Tierra Rose. You know how it goes. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. So a couple months ago, I uploaded my everyday skincare routine, which I will link in the description box below. In that video, as I watched that video back, I realized that I did not mention two key things that help me get rid of my acne and hyperpigmentation. And that is exfoliating and applying a mask weekly. I only did it once a week. I usually do it on Mondays. So today is Monday. Today is the day I'm supposed to apply my mask and exfoliate. So I decided to film it for you guys. So if you want to see how I exfoliate and apply my mask, please continue watching. Okay, y'all, please excuse my voice because I'm just getting over a really bad cold. But before we get into this video, I just wanted to show you my skin before I developed my skincare routine and started to exfoliate and apply mask. My skin was really going through it. And as you can see here, once I started to remain consistent, I got the best result. So here I'm just taking the Aztec clay mask and the turmeric powder and mixing it in equal parts. And then I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar to this mix. And you can add as much apple cider vinegar as you want. It just depends on the consistency that you want. I like my mask to have a thicker consistency, so I don't use that much. Okay, so I left this on for about 20 minutes and I let it harden up, and you'll notice some chipping, which is normal. You'll see that it's hard and it's ready to come off. I'm going to do my everyday skincare routine, and I'm not going to show that because I have a whole routine up on my channel. And again, I'll link it in the description box below, so you can go to that description box, click the link, and you'll see all the products that I use. So I'm just going to rinse this off and I will come back. y'all, so I am all done. I just finished my everyday skincare routine by moisturizing my face, because keep in mind, this mask is very drying. So it's going to absorb all the oils out of your face. So you got to put the moisture back in. With any skincare routine, you have to remain consistent, drink water, and try to eat as healthy as you possibly can. I know that's easier said than done. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.